So the first step is to lay the plinth down and check it with the spirit level and use the slips of wood as needed until you've got a flat plinth. The next step is to place the body of the case on the plinth that you have prepared. The next step is to uncoil the cords from the seat board of the movement and then feed them through the trunk, the main trunk of the case, like so. The next step is to hang the pendulum. So first, feed the base of it through the door of the main part of the case and then feed it up towards the movement. Then feed it through the pendulum stay and feed the brass block through the pendulum stay and then hang the top of the suspension spring on the back mounting point. Make sure it sits there nicely. Give it a light tug down to make sure it's straight, to make sure that the suspension spring is straight, and there it is. The next step is to hang the weights. So first, get the cord around the pulley and hold it with your hand, and then hook the pulley onto the weight, like so. And then feed the weight into the body of the case, letting it down slowly. The next thing to do is to check that the hands have not moved during transit. Make sure the hour hand is pushed on properly, and that as it goes all the way around, they do not cross. Always let it strike at 12 o'clock, and you can go around fast for the rest of the 12-hour period. And double check that the minute hand does not cross with the hour hand and the hour hand does not cross with the seconds hand. The next step is to wind it up. I suggest opening the door here to see what's happening and winding it fast for the first part of the wind and then slowing right down towards the end of the wind and bump the pulley up against the seat board very gently as follows. Double check that the pendulum is not scraping on the back of the case. If it is, straighten the case slightly by pushing the bottom of the case towards the wall. I hope you enjoy ownership of your clock.